This is Jared East from thereligionteacher.com. The Ark of the Covenant in the Old Testament, what does it mean? The Ark of the Covenant was created by the people of Israel to hold the tablets of the Ten Commandments. But it also held some manna, some of the bread that came down from heaven to feed the people of Israel as they wandered the desert, and then the staff of Aaron, or the rod of Aaron, that had a significant role in helping free the people of Israel from Egypt. And so it looked kind of like this. It was a box with golden cherubim or angels on top. There was rings in which two long pieces of wood could be used to carry it around, because the people of Israel wandered the desert with this Ark of the Covenant. It was a source of strength for them in battle, a source of recognition that God was there among them, with them, and the Ark was showing that. When they would stop and make camp, they would put the Ark of the Covenant in a tabernacle, a tent. When the temple was constructed in Jerusalem, the Ark of the Covenant was put in the temple instead. Even bringing the Ark into the city of Jerusalem was a great moment for King David. He was dancing around the Ark in joy because here the presence of God is being brought into the Lord's city. So the Ark of the Covenant has a significant role for the people of Israel in the Old Testament. It literally held the tablets, some of the manna, and then a staff. It was a recognition of God's holy presence here on earth among the people. Go make disciples. God bless.